In the supermarket industry, perhaps one of the most demanding, most challenging, most rewarding jobs is that of store manager. Store managers are the front line of our companies. They are the face of our stores to the communities we serve. They must continually balance the sometimes conflicting demands of customers, employees, and management. And for those who do it extremely well, we are all very appreciative. Today, we honor the best of the best, the winners of FMI's 15th Annual Store Manager Awards. Larry Hack has worked for Martin's Supermarket since 1968. Known for his creativity and leadership, Larry imparts the importance of being good merchandisers by focusing on providing the best shopping experience for customers. He stresses quality, selection, and service that is far better than the competition. These goals have resulted in sales increases of 5.7% in 2012 and 4.8% in 2013, due in part to the creative merchandising in Center Store. These include the biggest barefoot wine display ever built and a serial display of a race car. In-store events connect Martin's with the community. Customers flock to the store for an annual Easter egg hunt, fall hay rides, adopt a dog events, and behind-the-scenes store tours. Larry's store also hosts the company-wide Best Bagger Contest, a major training event that attracts employees from all 21 Martin's stores and customer spectators. This contest showcases the energy and passion of Larry and his employees, and his dedication to ensuring the success of events hosted at his store. Jeffrey Iwamuro, a 32-year veteran of the food retail industry, is well known for his commitment to establishing his store as a cornerstone of the community. Potash Markets is active with charitable organizations and programs. Most notably, the Special Olympics of Chicago's children's charity Polar Bear Plunge. Jeffrey assists with this event by coordinating donations, press, products, and logistics. Store sales increased 5% during the Polar Bear Plunge promotion. Through a partnership with the Latin School of Chicago, Potash Markets donates 800 shopping bags filled by the students with non-perishable items for the local food pantry, shelters, and churches. The attention gained by this partnership resulted in a 7% increase in store sales during the food drive event. Jeffrey's creative use of cross-promotion and consumer trends helped Potash Markets achieve their business goals. Tables featuring packaged marinated meats and all the makings of a Mexican fiesta drove the sales of private label to a 75% increase. Jeffrey's concierge style has touched the lives of both employees and customers. David Tutterow began working for Martin's at the age of 17 and continued working for the Indiana chain while completing the food marketing program at Western Michigan University. He has been store manager of his current location for over 3 years and has produced sales growth of 1.2% in 2012 and 2.6% in 2013. David attributes this growth to the commitment of his team in building and supporting their community by providing the best customer service, hiring and nurturing employees that understand and contribute to the company's success is a priority for David. He works to ensure that each team member understands their role within the store and company goals. The community turns to Martin's for help with food drives, school discount programs, and Boy Scout meetings. In early 2014, David's store was struck by tragedy when an active shooter entered, killing an employee and a customer. During this event and the time that followed, David showed a great deal of courage, grace, and leadership with employees and customers.